What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again with another new video and another new vlog. काफ़ी दिन से मैंने एक vlog नहीं बनाया था, which is full day of eating. So I think it's been a time where we start our off-season prep, जिसके अंदर we'll get to know, you'll get to see how I'm काफ़ी सारा YouTube workout videos में डाल रहा था. It's been some time that I haven't posted any full day of eating. That doesn't mean that I'm eating a lot as of now, because rebound phase जो था, it was very important. Still I am in that rebound phase, but still अभी वो ख़त्म होने वाला है. We'll start slowly introducing much of the videos, and जो मेरा excess water था body में वो सब चला गया. I'm still vascular. You can see a little bit lean. Why? Leaning is very important in the initial phase of the off season, because rebound में ऐसा होता है कि शो के बाद we eat a lot of bad food and उससे water retention होता है, and it will never help you with anything because you're holding a lot of water. तो rebound phase ऐसा होता है कि शो के बाद you come back to the maintenance diet पे आते ही whatever extra food आप खाते हो वो muscle में जाता है, you get more fullness, and that your body is craving for food, the calories. So when you put good calories in your system एंड जो प्रोटीन आप खा ही रहे थे प्रेप के टाइम पे, सो थोड़ा सा कार्ब्स बढ़ाते हैं तो यू फील दैट फुलनेस एंड यू स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग, यू पुट ऑन मोर सीरियस मसल ऑन योर फ्रेम. तो मुझे अभी लग रहा है आई हैव पुट ऑन लाइक गुड अमाउंट ऑफ वेट बट नॉट टू फैटी. तो मेरा वेट अभी है अराउंड 87, अराउंड 88 इन द मॉर्निंग. स्टिल इन अ वेरी गुड स्पेस बिकॉज 4 हफ्ता होने वाला है, and I'm still holding a good amount of size and fullness and still conditioned pretty much. Like if you see, not that much, but still, I still can hold, I'm still holding a little bit of water, but that's fine. That's part of the game, but not too fatty. That is more important. मोटा होना ज़रूरी नहीं था, like important नहीं था. You can hold water, of course, हम खाना खा रहे हैं. But that being said, ज़्यादा बोर नहीं करूँगा. So yesterday was Monday, did a good, amazing chest workout. आज है मेरा back workout. बैक वर्कआउट, लेग वर्कआउट, बहुत सारा वर्कआउट वीडियोस मैंने डाला था. सो आई थॉट कि फॉर अ चेंज यू नीड टू सी व्हाट इज माय करंट डाइट व्हिच आई एम ईटिंग राइट नाउ, बिकॉज स्लोली हम ऑफ सीजन में स्टेप करने वाले. सो दैट बीइंग सेड, माय फर्स्ट मील इज गोइंग टू बी क्रीम ऑफ राइस. एज यू गाइस नो, व्हाट आई यूज इज सिंपल. मेरा राइस बन रहा है यहाँ पे ऑन राइस कुकर, एंड दैट बीइंग सेड, दिस इज द tasty food raw rice which I get, which is only some 200 rupees का. वो मैं माइक्रोवेव करता हूँ. I put a scoop of big muscle का whey protein, and then we are good to go. So life being yeah, and what is my current life update? I think there's nothing much new, because though then last week, Saturday, Sunday, I was out of Dubai, and I wanted to enjoy a bit because it's been a while that I haven't taken a break for anything. So my friend was there, so we went out, took a 2 days of kind of staycation, where something out of this prep food and everything, 2 days was enough for me, because 2 दिन से ऊपर मेरे को एक दिन के बाद ही मेरे को बहुत घुटन सा हो रहा था. बट आई वांटेड टू गेट बैक टू माय डाइट एंड माय ट्रेनिंग. बट वो 2 दिन मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. बट दैट बीइंग सेड, मेरे उस वीक एक्चुअली इट वाज प्लान्ड बिफोर दैट. सो आई वाज लाइक 4-5 दिन मेरा ट्रेनिंग था तो मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया था. सो सैटरडे संडे आई डिडंट डू एनीथिंग. सो yesterday I did workout, so आज मैंने किया a much needed break, I would say, apart from दिमाग से सब कुछ चीज़ें हटा के. and I think everybody needs that thing. and I'm not saying that वो नहीं है तो it doesn't work, but you always need to recharge yourself. That being said, Ronnie Coleman show के बाद 3 महीना वो कुछ नहीं करता था. He just eats whatever he wants, he travels whatever he wants to do, he don't do anything. But that's Ronnie Coleman when he was on the peak. So your body needs rest from everything, so that diet se bhi ho everything. But that being said, uh, I'm just being too much hungry on my goals and dreams and all of those things. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा एक दिन के बाद मेरे को बस हो गया था. So it's like I want to get back to my routine diet, see what I'm doing, because preparation करना है. You don't have much of the time, because I need to put on a lot of muscle in a very short period of time. I don't know that can happen, but still we are going to try. Jitna ho sake, we're going to give our best and then stay on. Boom. So that being said, meal first. I'll eat quickly. थोड़ा सा late हो गया. सो कार्डियो भी ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा है बिकॉज you don't need to do it because I'm gaining. Cardio is best post workout, एक 15 मिनट कर रहा हूँ just to boost our metabolism. Other than that, there's nothing much. So staycation का मैंने कुछ वीडियो नहीं निकाला. I'll be very honest because I just wanted to enjoy that moment and don't bring my phone into my life because I just didn't wanted that. But next time अभी कभी भी होगा, I will make sure that everything will be shot so that you can also be a part of it. Okay, so that being said, बहुत बातें हो गया and I'm very hungry. I need to cook quickly cream of rice with some. Okay guys, so here it is, the post-workout meal, which is a scoop of nitric whey from Big Muscle, or 100 grams of cream of rice, and 1 scoop of protein and 1 whole banana. This is the final product of my first meal, जिसके अंदर मिलेगा मुझे around 100 grams of carbs and around 35 grams of protein and 0 fat. So this will be the first meal, जिसके अंदर जैसे मैंने बताया 100 grams of carbs with because of cream of rice, 80 grams of carbs from cream of rice, and 20 grams of carbs from banana, and 35 grams of protein from Big Muscle ka nitric whey. So you can use my code BMGZone to get some discount as well. So link मैं यहाँ पर description पे डाल दूँगा. Go and check it out. So this will be my first meal, and meals pretty much simple रहेगा, around 50 to 100 grams के बीच में रहेगा हर meal का carbs. But stay tuned for the video, जिसके अंदर आपको पता चलेगा कितना carbs क्या है. So stay tuned for that. And that being said, I'll jump down and have this meal quickly because उसके बाद मेरा online coaching है, जिसके अंदर I have to plan all my schedule, all my clients, जिसके अंदर some guys are 5 weeks out, some people are 10 weeks out, some people are like me who just completed the show, जिसका अभी prep चालू होने वाला है for off season, and some rebound phase होने के बाद they are again doing one more show. So we'll be planning out उनका जो schedule है, जो peak week है या planning है, जो भी diet workout सब कुछ, वो सब चीज़ों में time जाएगा around 1-1.5 घंटा, because I take it a lot of time to send them the plan because everything is customized. अगर आप लोग भी interested हो, you can DM me on my Instagram, and that is the best way to get contacted through me, or else you can mail me as well, so that's not a problem. So that being said, a beautiful meal with some beautiful games. Peace. मुझे पता नहीं आपको दिख रहा है कि नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आ रहा है किचन में, जिसमें शार लेके अभी मैं बाहर निकला. ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, आई एम स्वेटिंग लाइक अ पिग. बट दैट बीइंग सेड, ये है हमारा पोस्ट वर्कआउट मील, राइस एंड चिकन. द वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग विच आई एड, दैट इज कॉल्ड पीनट कोकोनट सियाम सॉस. तो ये मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं डालता हूँ, जस्ट थोड़ा सा. Why I like this thing? Because it's peanut. मुझे थोड़ा सा peanut वाला taste मुझे पसंद है. It's a little sweet and not too much of calories because 100 grams में इसमें है calories around 900. But we are not having 100 gram. I'll be probably eating 10 gram. तो approximately 100 calories आता है मुझे हर meal में. So I eat around 2 या 3 बार ऐसा. तो it's nothing. That being said, एक और चीज़ for hydration, I make sure that I don't miss it, and that's called Himalayan salt. बहुत सारे लोग नमक से बहुत ज़्यादा भागते हैं, so I try not to stop eating salt. We eat a lot of salt throughout the meals because it's very much necessary for the electrolytes. So pretty much we continue every single meal the pink Himalayan salt. Stay tuned for that. So that being said, आप लोगों को Amazon में मिल जाएगा the sauce which I said. Go and get one for yourself. I'm sweating like a pig, so I should go to the room and enjoy this meal. Peace. What's up guys? So having my 4th meal for the day. It's going to be the second last meal, जिसके अंदर है 4 चपाती. आज मुझे बहुत खाने का मन था, but ये मैंने बनाया नहीं है. You get on packet, so उसको बस पैन में डाल के उसको कुक करना है. And I got some chicken 150 grams of chicken, तो मैं उसके अंदर रख के एक रैप बना के मैं खाने वाला हूँ. Pretty much good to eat, easy to eat and quick to eat. तो एक टाइम में I get around 4 chapati, which gets 22 grams of carbs, so I get 80 grams of carbs. इसके बाद जो meal है, it's only going to be a protein shake. So pretty much this will be the full day of eating as of now, and then of course 150 grams of chicken with that. अगर कोई पूछ रहा है, यहाँ पर मैंने कोई भी vegetables नहीं खाया है. That being said, I am a lazy guy and I don't like vegetables. Trust me, but I'm going to start from coming week because I need some fibers in my diet. नहीं तो मुझे दिक्कत हो जाएगा. So I'll be eating at least greens, or else something I'll get a green supplement or something where मेरे greens का जो requirement है वो पूरा हो जाएगा. So I'll try to do that. That being said, I think I'm very much tired, very tired. I have no idea why I'm tired also, but I'm very much sleepy. So looking forward to have a great the diet thing. And yeah, and also I'm like excited to share you guys what is my diet going right now, or eventually थोड़ा करके मेरा carbs और calories सब बढ़ेगा, so that I'll be excited कि आप लोग भी ये follow करो, so that एक idea आ जाएगा कि हम साथ में ही gain करेंगे for the next 10 to 12 months. तो मेरा weight है around 98, मैंने जैसे बताया था. तो I think next video में I think next week I'll make again a full day of eating video. उसके अंदर we'll try to check the weight also, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा वो भी. I'm hoping I'll be at least 1 kg up, so fingers crossed. But again, not bad weight. I want to eat clean. I want to keep my cardio in, so that even if I like gain, it shouldn't be a lot of fat or water, and only muscle. So let's see how that goes. At least half kg or 1 kg. If that goes up, that'll be awesome. Not 1 kg, sorry, half a kg. So I've just brainstormed because of a lot of carbs. अच्छा खा रहा हूँ मैं, तो अच्छा नींद भी आ रहा है, and I'm very tired also because of eating a lot of carbs. That being said, questions है, do write down below, and I'll be excited to answer each and every questions. And also guys, stay hydrated, drink a lot of water. यहाँ पर दुबई में 1.5 लीटर का मिलता है, 1 लीटर का नहीं मिलता है mostly. So I drink at least 4 bottles of water. Pretty much that is how much? Around 6 liters of water a day. And ऐसा नहीं है मैं force करके पीता हूँ, बहुत आराम से मैं पी लेता हूँ. At least 3 for sure. 4.5 लीटर तो मैं पीता ही हूँ. But on a good day I go 6 liters. Make sure आप hydrate करते रहो. A lot of people ask me what is my face routine या face का जो skin glow के लिए मैं क्या करता हूँ. I do nothing. I just use a face wash. And हो सके तो जब भी मुझे याद आता है धूप में जाने से पहले I try to put a sunscreen. वो भी it's like week में once I do that. But I drink a lot of water. I think because of drinking water and sweating a lot, I think my skin is getting better. So that being said, that's the answer for you guys who've been asking me what I do for my skin. Just basic basic care on face. So acne वगैरह भी नहीं आएगा if you drink a lot of water. That's it guys. I think आज का vlog यहीं पे खत्म कर दे. यहाँ पर मैं डाल देता हूँ कितना macros हुआ आज का and the total calories, so you can have a guideline or a blueprint what and how much number I eat every single day. So that being said, as you guys know, I'm very sleepy. I'm going to eat this thing quickly in 1 hour. I'm going to pull down one. I'm going to gulp down one protein shake and then off to bed. That being said, as you guys know that Wolf is still hungry and on a hunt. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, take care of yourself, and Wolfgang in.